Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the option for daylight time saving is grayed out in Windows, then please watch this video. Now let me show you. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to time and language, select this option for date and time. There is an option for daylight saving which does not appear here because I am not using the appropriate time zone. Let us say that I was using the time zone for United States of America. Let's say that I picked up this time zone. Okay, there would be an option for daylight saving. So you need to make sure that you're picking up the right time zone before anything else. And if it is still grayed out, in that case, you have to fix it to the registry editor. Now I'll show you the path. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to this path and hit enter. The path is HKey local machine system current control set control time zone confirmation information. Okay, now in the right pane we will create an entry named dynamic daylight time disabled. Easy to remember, dynamic daylight time disabled. Okay, double click on it and make sure that the value data is 0. So this means that it is not disabled because a disabled dword entry is 0. So it means it's not disabled and it is enabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.